Let me tell you today. Disassembly method of Ford sharp-pointed steering wheel. First, we need to remove the airbag. There's a small hole under 6 o'clock. We stab it in with a small slotted knife. Pop the airbag out. Here's the principle. The airbag bounced out. Push up and take out the airbag. Next, pull up the plug with a slotted knife. Airbag removal completed. Third part, use the 54 sleeve. Remove the large screw in the middle. Then the whole steering wheel is removed.